Hello friends, take a look at this birthday wishing video I sent to my mom. Now take a look at this invitation card I sent to all my guests for my personal event. And now take a look at this promotional video which I sent to all my clients as a promo code. Now go back a little bit and think about, instead of these videos, if I would have sent a graphical card, how would it look like? Not so cool, right? So in today's video, I'll show you how you can create these kind of videos quickly in fraction of time using an AI tool. Let's get started. So first of all, the tool we are going to use is called FlexClip. FlexClip provides us with 4 million plus videos and photos, 74,000 plus music and sound effect, 1000 plus text presets, 3 million plus dynamic elements, 700 plus effect and filters, 200 plus transitions, and along with that it also provides a lot of AI tools. So let's see. First, on top right corner you have to click on login, and from here you can log in with your Google account. Hello friends, now onward I'm going to give away premium plan coupon to all my audience. So just comment down the tool name and what you like about my videos, and I'll choose the 3 luckiest winner every time through draw and give them the coupons for premium plans. Comment right now. So this is your home page. Here you can see a lot of templates available in different categories. FlexClip provides us with 6,000 plus video templates. Now on the right side you will find projects, where all the projects you have created will be stored. After that there is template, the same ones we saw earlier, but from here you can also search template or choose them according to your category. The next menu is AI tools. This tool provides many AI tools. Here you can see that you can use AI for image, video, audio, and many more things. Then comes favorite, where you can check everything you have marked as favorite, as usual feature. Without wasting much time, let's go to the left side and click on create video. Here you can select the ratio, and then you will see options like magic video creation tool, which you can use if you want. You can start from scratch by selecting ratio. Once you select it, it will ask if you want to add assets or not. If not, just click on cross mark. One of the best thing about FlexClip is you can edit any templates and customize as per your need. So this is the editing dashboard. On the left side, the first option is template, where you can use templates inside your project. And you can see many category based templates here as we discussed earlier. Now let's check the next one. This option, you can add your assets by clicking on upload file. You can upload your own files. From here, you can also record voice, record screen, and record webcam. So I think here you can see FlexClip provide this is the extra features than the Canva. So now our video supports more than 24 different native languages. So if you are not comfortable with English, you can go to the settings, audio track, and choose the language you are comfortable with.
यहाँ आप देख सकते हैं कि पीटर बॉक्स, बोतल, फूड पैकेजिंग, पाउच, कैन, जार और कई अन्य श्रेणियों में व्यवस्थित मॉकअप प्रदान करता है।
Seleccionaré una y podrás ver varias maquetas de bolsas disponibles.
Now enjoy our videos and learn AI with me in your native language. The next option is text, where you get everything from basic to modern style text that you can use in your project to give your video a new look. After that comes subtitle. You can add auto subtitles, manual subtitles, and upload subtitle files. Again, this is a very important but very common features to all these kind of tools. Next is video. Here you will find a big video library categorized, which you can search and use in your project. After that, there is image, also categorized, which you can use. You can also generate images using FlexClip AI text to image tool. The next feature is audio library, music library, and the special part is the SFX library. SFX means sound effect. To that makes your video more powerful and attractive. Next is element, where you get shapes, social media icons, charts, lines, and many more high quality elements. Then there is effect, which makes your video eye-catching. You will find brush, golden, texture, ink, and many more effects. Then comes, as usual, feature tool, where you get multiple AI tools that you can use as per your need. At the bottom, there is timeline, which helps you in video editing. From here, you can add screen, split, duplicate, or delete items. You can zoom in and zoom out of the timeline as well. In the center, you have the video preview where you can see your video. From here, you can change background color, set video duration, manually name your project. You can do undo, redo, watch a full preview, zoom in and out, the screen view, and finally you can export your video from here. In export options, you get resolutions, frame rate, quality settings. You can also export as GIF or audio file. So these are very common features with any kind of video editing tool. So now let's see how to add effect or element or assets. For example, I select this one element. You can change its color, apply AI motion tracking, flip it, adjust opacity, and animate it. There are many in and out animation available which you can use as per your video requirement. So this was a full FlexClip AI tool review. And look, I have created all this video inside FlexClip, and that in few minutes. So I was looking for a tool which is combination of Canva with lot of assets and library plus the CapCut kind of video animation tool that help creator like us to quickly come up with the production ready videos. So you get some free credits for this tool. If you want to go for paid plan, it's very affordable. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe my channel, share this video with your designer friend. See you in the next one.